Welcome to another video, and here we are with the OnePlus 13, and today we're covering fingerprint animation customization as well as the performance of that fingerprint scanner. Now I'm really excited to cover this device because OnePlus puts a lot of customization features into their devices that you're not going to see on other devices, and I really like that about this brand. So let's talk how to get to the fingerprint animation customization. So we're going to swipe down from the top of the display, and then we're going to look for our gear icon and tap on it. And that's going to open our settings. Now you can get to fingerprint animation customization by going through the string of options that I'm going to simply place in text in this video, or you can just tap on search and start typing in fingerprint. And then you'll see fingerprint animation right here. We'll tap on that option. So here we are with fingerprint animation, and again, OnePlus adds a lot of customization features in their launcher, highlight of this brand. And you can see that we have quite a few choices here. Right now I have the ripple effect selected, and we get a live demo of it in the video playback right above all the options. So we're going to go through all of them. First, we're going to have melodic stream. That one looks pretty cool. Then we're going to have halo, very futuristic and clean. Fizz, kind of reminds you of soda. Bubble. Then we're going to have stardust. Then we're going to have swirl. That looks really cool. Then we're going to have flare. Then we're going to have sparks. That's really cool. And then lastly, once again, ripple. That's the one I had selected. And then you can also have none if you don't want an animation. So nice, clean, and simple there. And this is just a simple way to customize your device, give it a more unique touch that fits your taste. I do wish we had more features like this on other brands. I haven't seen this on Samsung. I would love to see it on Samsung or just on Android in general. There's probably other brands that have something similar. I just haven't tried those out. But anyways, I'm going to go with ripple here. We're going to tap on it, and that's automatically going to save. So let's talk about the scanner performance here. It actually works really well. Also, what I like to mention before I try it out here is this device has Aqua Touch. I'm looking to cover that in a future video, but it allows you to use the display effectively when there's water on it, whether you're in the shower or you get caught in the rain, and it works really well, and it works really well with the fingerprint scanner as well. So fingerprint scanner performance going to be very quick here. Works really well. I haven't had any issues with it, and again, it works really good when you have water on the display as well. So that is it for today's content. Just a highlight of the OnePlus brand and the OnePlus 13. A lot of customization built into these devices, and I'm looking to investigate more and share with all of you so that we can get excited and be more aware of this brand. I like this brand. It's probably another option I would recommend outside of Samsung. And now I've been away from the Pixels for some time, so I can't really speak on those. But the OnePlus, the brand itself is phenomenal. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.